Hello everyone, welcome to FixSoft. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of Python on Windows, which is Python 3.14.3. Don't worry if you are completely new to Python. I'll explain everything step by step in very simple language. Let's begin. First, open your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type Python and press Enter. Click on the official Python website. Always make sure you download Python only from the official site to stay safe. Once the website opens, hover your cursor on Downloads menu. You'll see that latest Python is available for download. Click on the version number, and the Python installer will start downloading automatically. After the download is complete, right-click on Setup File and open it. Now the Python installation window will appear. Here, make sure you check both important options at the bottom. These options are very important because they allow Python to run from anywhere on your system. After selecting these options, click on Customize Installation. On the next screen, you will see optional features. Leave everything as it is and click Next. Now you'll see the advanced options. Here, select the first option and keep the rest as default. Then click Install. Windows may ask for administrator permission. Click Yes to continue. Python will now start installing. This may take a few moments, so please wait. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a success message. Click Close. Now, let's check if Python is installed correctly. Click on the Windows search icon and type IDLE. Open Python IDLE shell. If Python is installed properly, the IDLE window will open. And at the top, you'll see Python 3.14.3. Now, let's write our first Python code. Inside the IDLE window, type a simple Python program. Then press Enter. If the output is correct, that means you have successfully installed Python and run a Python program. At this point, Python is fully set up on your Windows system. I also recommend installing Visual Studio Code for a better coding experience. It gives you a clean interface and powerful features for writing Python code. You can install that by watching this video on my channel. Thanks for watching FixSoft, and I'll see you in the next video.